Personality creates your personal reality. So let's consider neuroscience in this. So what does neuroscience say? You tend to get around 60,000 to 70,000 thoughts per day. And 90% of those thoughts are the same ones that you thought the day before. Let's consider your morning routine. You wake up on the same side of the bed. You tend to brush your teeth with the same hand. Then you tend to sit for breakfast. You surf social media. You will check out Instagram, Facebook. Post that. Now since it's lockdown, people are sitting at home for work. Otherwise they travel for work. Once they reach office, they tend to interact with the same set of people. They tend to do the same set of work on a daily basis. Post that, once you're done, you wait for lunch. After your lunch, again you will sit for work. Then again after your work is done, you will go ahead and check social media on what's happening. Then you will go ahead and check TV, for example. Sometimes then you will sit for dinner. After your dinner is done, you will again sit surfing social media, Instagram, Facebook, see your WhatsApp, check out what people are doing, what people are saying in their lives, and post that, you will go to sleep, looking forward to the next day to repeat the same cycle. Now in this entire process, if I say that you are operating on an autopilot mode means you are thinking, feeling and acting the same way. Now in this entire process, do you think your body or your brain has changed by any chance? The answer is no. Your body nor your brain, both don't change in this process. Now your brain is made up of 100 billion nerve cells, and these nerve cells are called as neurons. Now whenever you're learning something new, whenever you are gaining some new information or you are interacting with a new personality, these neurons, they communicate with each other. And this communication happens when they exchange electrochemical information between them. And these connections that those neurons make, they are called as synaptic connections. Now every person, every subject and every learning that you have in life creates a new synaptic connection in your brain. Do you know that person who keeps talking about how difficult their past was, and because of that difficult past on how their father or mother didn't help them in their lives, they couldn't achieve their goals or they couldn't achieve success in that particular area of life? Or do you know that person who keeps talking about how their ex cheated on them, and because of that they could not trust their partners and they always keep doubting their current partners? The more you keep thinking and feeling the same way, the more the connection in your brain becomes hardwired. The neural connection in your brain becomes so hardwired that it starts forming a memory. And this hardwired connection which has formed a memory will start giving you the same results. And then all of a sudden we'll wonder, why am I not getting the desired results? Why am I not getting new results? The answer is very evident. It is because you are being the same person with the same thoughts and feelings. Being the same person can never get you new results. To get new results, you have to develop new actions, new thought process, new belief system, new attitudes, and you have to start upgrading your knowledge and your skill sets. For example, if you want to become richer or you want to earn more money, the first thing you have to do is look for a mentor, or then look for great information on YouTube or Google. And once that is done, you have to check out the beliefs, the attitudes, the perceptions of these rich people on how they believe in themselves, on how they think, how they feel and how they act. And once you start developing a personality that is exactly similar to them, that is when you will start getting new results. And when you start doing that, that personality of yours will start giving you a new personal reality in the form of wealth creation.